iPrecio is the world's first implantable, pre-programmable, and refillable micro-infusion pump for laboratory animals. The pump is especially adaptable to use in mice when implanted in the subcutaneous space. The three key features of iPrecio are: it is implantable, it is pre-programmable, and it is refillable. This mouse has been implanted with an iPrecio SMP300 in the subcutaneous space in the gluteal region of the back. The animal is freely moving in the home cage with no external encumbrance. New molecular entities may be evaluated in vivo for efficacy and toxicity in animal models in refined conditions for maximum sensitivity. Sustained release, continuous infusion, modified release, chrono-release, and pulsatile release may be programmed and delivered systematically or site-directed with iPrecio. Humanized exposure profiles for translational research may also be programmed. iPrecio is equipped with a very small battery-operated micromotor which rotates anti-clockwise at a very slow speed. An elastic tube that contains the infusion solution extends from the reservoir to the exit point of the pump. The shaft of the pump motor is equipped with a rotating cam. As the cam rotates in an anti-clockwise direction, 7 pins are pushed outward in order to place pressure on the elastic tube. This pressure is applied in a uniform sequential manner, allowing fluid to be pushed through the tubing in one direction. The fluid in the elastic tube is displaced to the left very slowly by this unique method of peristalsis. Consequently, the fluid goes out of the pump and is infused into the animal. The rotation of the stepping motor is very accurate and precise because it is controlled by a crystal oscillator. Thus, iPrecio is able to continuously inject microliter quantities of test compound. I will now discuss the second key feature of the iPrecio pump: pre-programmable. Programming of the iPrecio is accomplished through a wireless communication device connected via an Ethernet cable to a PC using Windows-based management software. Using the menu-driven software, header information along with infusion protocol details are entered and ultimately downloaded to the pump's flash memory. Unlike the SMP200, the SMP300 pump may be reprogrammed in vivo by stopping the current protocol and reprogramming wirelessly. The Windows-based management software allows the programming of a variety of infusion protocols with KVO setting and infusion protocol setting. You can start infusion instantly or after the animal has recovered from surgery. Also, you can configure up to 16 discrete infusion steps between 0 microliters per hour and 10 microliters per hour in 0.1 microliters per hour steps. These 16 steps may also be repeated in a 24-hour cycle for circadian rhythm infusion profiles by using the repeat function. Infusion protocol options include the following: KVO setting. This setting provides for the instant initiation or delayed initiation of the infusion protocol. Thus, a future-specific time point for the infusion to begin may be specified. During the delay period, it is possible to infuse a compound carrier and then evaluate and fill the reservoir with drug at the program time for the delayed infusion. During the recovery period, KVO is used and the pump is flushing the entire line in order to maintain patency of the catheter. Following surgical recovery, you can initiate infusion of the test compound. This is accomplished by removing the saline from the reservoir and replacing with test compound. This is done through the septum via subcutaneous access. Dead volume flushing is automatically calculated to ensure that the test compound hits the animal at the program time accurately. Infusion protocol setting. This setting allows for a fixed constant infusion for the duration of the study or a combination of different flow rates and durations to be programmed. With repeat setting and the use of different flow rates and durations, advanced infusion protocols like circadian rhythm profiles may be programmed as shown in the video and graph. Test compound administration begins after configuring and saving this infusion protocol into the embedded memory in the pump. You can configure up to 16 discrete infusion steps between 0 and 10 microliters per hour. The final key feature of the iPrecio is the ability to refill the reservoir in vivo. Refillability allows multiple test compounds to be evaluated in the same pump and animal without additional surgeries. iPrecio contains a flexible reservoir that holds a volume up to 130 microliters of fluid. The reservoir communicates with the refill septum such that refill can be accomplished via a transcutaneous puncture. Repeated refills up to a maximum of over 1.5 microliters are possible. In conclusion, the iPrecio pump is a new and unique device for providing precision low-volume infusion protocols to laboratory animal species down to the size of a mouse. Multiple test compounds, humanized exposure profiles for translational research, or just simple continuous infusions may be programmed and used in refined conditions for maximum sensitivity. iPrecio is implantable, programmable, and it is refillable. Please contact PrimeTech via the iPrecio website for further details on the use and availability of iPrecio. Thank you.